What's going on, guys? My name is Nick, and in this video we're going to talk about the top 5 credit building accounts for bad credit and new credit. And even if you have good credit, you can also add these accounts as well. So let's get straight into it. Go ahead and make myself smaller over here. All right, guys. So the first account we're going to talk about is KICKOFF. KICKOFF offers 2 products. Both products report to the 3 major credit bureaus and are offered as 1-year plans. So the first account is a KICKOFF credit account. This is their standard product for all new KICKOFF customers. This account builds a monthly payment history and helps reduce your credit utilization. The credit account gets reported to Equifax and Experian every month and costs $5 a month. And then we also have the KICKOFF Credit Builder Loan, which is their second item. This is an optional add-on for customers that want to build even more credit. It's a 1-year savings plan for $10 a month. You'll be able to add this product after your first payment with the KICKOFF credit account. And according to them, on average, customers with credit scores under 600 increase their scores by 58 points on average, and helping them qualify for better car loans, mortgages, credit cards, personal loans, and more. So go ahead, Google KICKOFF and check that out for yourself. And we'll move on to the next one. The next one is Self-Lender. Self-Lender is basically a credit builder account. You apply for a loan that's held by their bank partners, which is basically a CD. So what it is, you basically pay off the loan within 12 to 24 months, and you can choose a repayment plan that fits your budget. Each payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. Your payments are reported to all 3 credit bureaus. So what you're doing is basically starting a certificate of deposit account. So what you're going to do is choose the amount that you want to pay every month. Let's say it's $25. You're going to pay $25 towards that loan, essentially, and you also choose the length of time, so 24 months. So 12 times 25, don't know off the top of my head. Someone leave a comment in the description below what that is, but 12 times 25 is going to be the amount of the loan that will show up on your report, and you pay your 25 every month, and then after 12 months you get that lump sum back minus a small percentage that they take, and it's essentially a savings account, but you built your credit as well at the same time. So it's very unique. I tell a lot of clients to get this, and it helps a ton. Very easy to use, and yeah, so we'll check out the next one. So the next one will be a secured credit card. So you can get a secured credit card from nearly any bank. Secured credit cards are credit cards in which you put up your own money to fund the credit card. For example, you would deposit $500 and ask to open a secured credit card with that money. The bank will in turn take the $500 and send you a credit card with a limit of $500. There's no risk for the bank, and it's your money, so you have more incentive to pay it off so you can get your $500 back. The best secured credit cards from my experience are Discover It and Navy Federal. I love all Navy Federal products, and many banks offer them, so check with your credit union, your bank, and you can get started with any secured credit card. And this is for bad and new credit. If you have good credit, I wouldn't suggest getting a secured credit card, but this is specifically for anyone with bad credit trying to rebuild their credit, and new credit who's trying to build their credit. So let's go on to the next one. So the next one, a pledge loan or a secured loan. This is a very good one, very powerful one. It's the same concept of a secured credit card, except it's in the form of a loan. So for example, you're going to deposit $500 into your savings, ask the bank to open a secured loan against that $500, and they will take the $500 from savings and issue a loan for $500 in your checking account. You then must make regular payments, and as you pay down the loan, you will receive it back in your savings. So let me go a little further into that. So you have a $500 secured loan, and you make a $100 payment. Now the balance on that loan is $400, but all right, so a pledge loan, which is also like a secured loan. So it's the same concept of the secured credit card, except it is in the form of a loan. So for example, you deposit $500 into your savings account, and you ask the bank to open a secured loan against the $500 that's in your savings. Then they will take the $500 from your savings and issue a loan of $500 into your checking account. So you then must make regular payments, and as you pay down the loan, you will receive it back in your savings account. So I'll explain it a little further. So you have a $500 secured loan, and you're going to make a $100 payment. Now your loan balance is $400, and you have $100 back in your savings. So let me rewind right back. $500 secured loan that you just got. You make a $100 payment. Now the loan balance is $400, but that $100 payment that you just made shows back up into your savings account because it was your money from the beginning. So that's basically how secured loans work. It's very powerful with large amounts and even small amounts, 10K plus. The larger the trade line, the more impressive you are to banks and more likely to receive lower rates and higher amounts when you are going for funding. So that's just a little tip there for you guys. All right, and the next one is Credit Strong. So like Self-Lender, a Credit Strong account is the fusion of a secured consumer installment loan and a savings account. During the life of your Credit Strong account, you build both credit history and savings. So similar to what we were just talking about with Self-Lender. And these are the requirements. The following requirements are needed to open a Credit Strong account, and these are nearly the same requirements for each of these accounts. So you must be at least 18 years old and a permanent resident of the United States with a physical U.S. address, a valid Social Security number or ITIN. You must have a checking account, debit card, or prepaid card in good standing. So the Cash App card will work for you guys as well. A mobile phone number or Google Voice account, and an email address. That's it. That's all you need. Very, very easy to get approved here. They're not pulling your credit score for this. This is all they want right here. They don't care, about the 5 charge-offs and the 10 late payments. This is what they want right here. So over here in the little chart, build credit and savings, no credit score required, no upfront security deposit, and no hard inquiry. FDIC insured. Sign up now. So check them out, creditstrong.com. And then this is a bonus. The last one's a bonus. It's a company called Rent Reporters. There's a few that do the similar things, but Rent Reporters is a company that allows you to backdate and report up to 4 years of previous rent payments. So as you guys know, rent is not usually reported to the credit reporting agencies. So using this company will allow you to report your rent. You know what I'm saying? That's a payment that we all make every single month, but we don't get credit for it on our credit report. And this could help a lot of people out, especially for backdating 4 years. That's a long time. You know what I'm saying? That's like getting a brand new 4-year account on your report of all positive payment history. This can be very huge for a lot of people. The only downside is they only report to Equifax and TransUnion, but it's not really a downside because most banks only pull one of the 3 credit bureaus. So if you're going after a bank, you will be able to see, or you will be able to determine which reporting agency they're going to pull from, and fingers crossed it's Equifax or TransUnion, and this will benefit you greatly. So for thousands of Rent Reporters customers, the average increase is 40 points. So that is major. That is major, guys. And that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please hit the like button. This will help this get out to other people. Tap the subscribe button and help us with our current goal to reach 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully you're watching this and we have well over 1,000 subscribers already. 10,000, 100,000, maybe even 1 million. It just depends on when you're watching this, man. And if you have any questions, you can always email me directly at info@tycoontalk.xyz, or you can leave a comment in the comment section below. I make sure to respond to all the comments and my emails as well daily. And let me know any topics you want me to cover or go more in depth about. This is for you guys. I'm here to educate people, help people, and just make things easier. You know what I'm saying? So just let me know what you want me to talk about and we will get it done for you. You can also check the link in the description to purchase credit repair products. We'll go over here and look real quick at a few of them. So the FCR cheat sheet, we have some consciousness worksheet, charge-off template, inquiry removal. I have some crypto products on here, business checklist, and a bundle for all the products on here. So check that out, and pretty soon we'll have a credit repair course that will be on here, and you can go ahead and get that for yourself. And if you like this video, check out the other videos on my channel where I talk about making money with cryptocurrency, consciousness, and much, much more. And may infinite abundance flow to you guys now and forever. Thank you again. I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace.